Right, so that's me demonstrating these chord patterns, all of which come from my own MIDI pack. I've got my first one out, VXD House MIDI. It's completely free, so don't get scared. Well, it's free for the first 50 people that pick it up. But then even if you don't get it for free, you'll get it for £1, which is I think $1.50. So I'm going to show you what's in it. Basically, it's just chords. So it's just chords in MIDI that you can pick and choose. And this is for sort of a house sound. You can use it for tech house, slap house, any type of thing like that. So let's go ahead and just drag any one of these in. We'll just drag this one here and D in, and we'll just loop it. We'll import the tempo and time signature. I'm just going to loop this sound, and we're going to use this really excellent synth called Model 84. We just get some presets in there. We'll just choose anything really. We'll just choose, I don't even know what this sounds like. We'll choose bubble chord. We can just mess around with it. Way too much noise. Where do you get rid of it? Yeah, here's the noise. That's better. We'll try a different preset here. Not good. We'll just choose this one instead. This is a good one. That's super loud. Let's bring a different chord in now. Let's try this is the last one we'll try. And just to give you a bit of peace of mind, these aren't used anywhere by anybody. These are things I've created, right? So they're just here for you to use, and yeah, enjoy. Thanks a lot.